Dreaming of owning a home care business but feeling lost in the maze of licensing and regulations? You aren't alone. Starting the right way is more than just a goal, it's the essential foundation for long term success, efficient operations, and smart systems planning. Introducing Homecare Launchpad, we provide the tools, the roadmap, and the expert guidance to launch your agency across the US, from Texas to Michigan and beyond. When you log in, you'll see your entire journey mapped out. Our progress tracker ensures you never miss a step in your business registration. Say goodbye to writing manuals from scratch. Our AI-powered policy generator creates state-specific policies tailored for your agency in minutes. You'll also unlock exclusive member bonuses, templates, and access to a supportive community of home care entrepreneurs just like you. Whether you want to take the DIY route with our tools or prefer our done-for-you concierge services, we have the perfect plan for you. Our plans start as low as $997, which includes a full 6 months of access to our powerful platform. During this exclusive Founders launch, you can lock in a special seasonal rate for 72 hours before prices go back up. Don't miss out. First, head to our website to review the plans, then click the link to book a discovery call with Betty or our expert team. Once you've found the right path, proceed with your plan of choice and watch your vision come to life. Visit Homecare Launchpad today.